Some will try to bring you down, tell you what you're worth, but they don't know your journey, they don't know your hurt. Every scar upon your body, every lesson that you learned, made you stronger than the fire that once caused you to burn. Always remember your worth. Don't let your spirit fall. You're a child of strength and purpose. Stand proud and stand tall. When the road gets rough and the pressure starts to hurt, hold your head up high. Always remember your worth. There'll be days of disappointment, nights you feel alone, but the greatest trees grow strongest when the hardest winds have blown. Keep believing in your vision, let your inner light shine first. Through every trial and temptation, always remember your worth. Always remember your worth. Don't let your spirit fall. You're a child of strength and